Nagbabalik ang PTV Sports. Ngayon makausap natin live via Zoom ang Philippine Karate Do League founder na si Shihan Dennis Piano Aquino. Kasama si Sensei Resty Fillarca. Good morning.
Magandang araw po, Headmaster Chian at Sensei Resty.
Ayon, good morning. Good morning. It's nice
Yes,
to be
good
back
morning.
in PTV Sports.
PTV Sports. Morning.
Shihan Dennis, I'm sure na nagpre-prepare ngayon ang Karate Do team dahil nga sasabak ito sa isang prestihiyosong torneo this coming September. Can you tell us more about this?
Yes, currently we are preparing for the, in the World Championship, the 11th World Shooter Championship to be held on September 21 to 27 in Yokohama, Japan. Ayun, our team is currently at the peak. We're treating every training ng mga players namin as if yun yung final match nila. So yung mga coaches namin, they are doing their best. Kasi yung last event namin, o yung last na sinalihan nila, yung World Championship, 3 years ago in Jakarta, I think we finished 10th place out of 50 plus countries. We garnered, I think, 2 gold, 5 silver, and 8 bronze medal. So in this championship, hopefully, masustain namin yung rank na yon or malampasan namin.
Opo, Shihan at Sensei, of course, nagpe-prepare nga po tayo for this event. Pero sa tingin ba natin, sapat po ba yung buwan? Dahil sa September pa naman po gaganapin ang torneo.
Yes, prepare naman lang ang ating mga players because hindi lang naman within this month lang nagpe-prepare, kundi ahead of time lumabas na yung bulletin na yan is nagpe-prepare na talaga ang ating mga players. Apo.
Balikan ko lang si Shihan Dennis. Shihan,
Yes,
nabinggit natin itong 11th World Shitoryu Karate Championships. Pero gaano po ba ka-prestigious ito? Gaano ka bigat po yung level of competition dito sa World Championships?
This is a historic milestone for the Team Philippines or PKL Philippines since this is the World Shooter Championship na aside to sa very prestigious siya, aside sa sinasalihan siya na iba't ibang countries, around 50 plus nga, na most of the other countries are part of their national team. Comparing sa team natin is mostly mga local athletes. So fighting against sa mga players nila. So very prestigious siya in the sense that most of yung mga world champion sumasali dyan.
Shihan at Sensei, paano po natin na-select yung mga atleta po natin na maglalaro po for this championship?
Okay. We select our players through series of tournaments and syempre during their training doon pa lang sa kanilang mga dojos, so nire-ready na sila. We are conducting local and national competitions. And also we joining doon sa mga sanction event ng ating Karate Pilipinas.
Sensei, as of now
Ayun,
po,
yeah.
hindi pa po tapos ang ating selection process. I believe that there are still pockets of tournament for the selection. Can you tell us more about this?
Yes po, there are 3 series of competition kasi yung isa is for the southern area, southern part of area, iba northern Luzon. So yung sa Isari Cup, since this is a national event ng PKL, so 50% of the athlete na-select na ron. Pero kahit na-selected na sila, there are serious competition pa rin na kailangan i-challenge niya yung other players na from the Luzon area na hindi sila nakasali sa southern part of Philippines na na-select. So yung final stages niya, ayun niya, yung series 2 is on May 23 na gagawin sa Bataan area. That's the 5th annual President's Cup. Then ang final series in the June's Cup to be held on June 28 sa Cavite area naman siya. So that's the 3 stages of selection. Just to make sure na yung atleta talaga na yun nanalo sa Series 1, they have to join in the 2 other series. Kailangan i-depend nila yung pagiging gold medal nila.
Ilang karatekas po ang bubuo ng ating national team?
We're targeting around 50 plus athlete from ages 8 years old and above. So there's a children division, there are juniors, there's a seniors. So we're trying to fill up all the events and categories na pinadala sa amin ng Japan, which is the host.
Ayun po, since marami po tayong mga athletes na sasalang, sa tingin ba natin, Shihan at Sensei, gaano kalaki po yung tsansa na makakuha po tayo ng makabulsa ng gintong medalya?
We are naman na makakuha tayo ng place dyan sa World Sitorio. Because of some events naman, formally Asian and World Tournaments naman nakaka-place naman tayo, no? Mga players naman natin nakakapag-uwi ng gold medal or silver or bronze medal every time na lumalabas ng bansa ang ating mga players po.
Sensei Resty, in terms of the officiating naman part and technical part, gaano tayo ka-prepare for this upcoming tournament?
For this upcoming tournament sa World Sitorio, we also joining sa mga licensing and seminars sanctioned by the National Federation under the Karate Pilipinas, and also series of workshop also for the referees and judges para mas ma-enhance pa sila sa kanilang pagre-referee. And we assure na yung safety and the fairness of the tournament, ayun yung maibigay namin.
Alright po, now let's talk about naman po sa PKL. Of course, alam naman natin na 3 decades na po ang PKL and it has been home po ng karate discipline sa bansa. Pwede niyo po ba kami makwentuhan? Kamusta na po ba yung progreso ng karate do dito sa Pilipinas? At ng liga po?
Yun. So, yung karate yun is getting bigger and bigger. In fact, in the DepEd panahon pambansa, karate is now included sa DMA sports. So, one good development in the field of martial arts, especially karate do nga. In the part of the PKL naman, we are always supporting the program of the Karate Pilipinas and all of the school-based tournament like that. So, we are concentrated on the grassroots. Then yung lahat ng mga nade-develop namin, inihanda namin sa mga national event o mga sanctioned event ng Karate Pilipinas. And since PKL is one of the largest group dito sa Pilipinas, so we also have our own karate tournament na sinasalihan internationally, annually, and every 3 years yung World Championship.
Shihan Dennis, since isa kayo sa haligi po ng karate do dito sa ating bansa, ano po ba yung ultimate dream nyo para sa ating mga karatekas at sa disiplina rin po ng karate sa Pilipinas?
Ayun, karate is not all about competition. It's more on yung ma-develop yung personality talaga ng tao. Winning in life, winning medal is just a process lang na pinagdadaanan sa atleta. Pero as we get old, so it's more on ano ba yung legacy maiiwan natin sa mga kabataan.
Alright. Nako, good luck po sa paparating nating laban na Shihan at Sensei. Baka may message po kayo and invite po natin yung mga teammates natin na suportahan ang pambansang koponan. Go ahead po, Shihan, sir.
Ayun, I would like to take this opportunity to invite each and every one of you to support the Team PKL LTG Pilipinas sa aming upcoming World Shitorio Championship to be held in Yokohama, Japan on September 21 to 27. And we are still need on your all-out support, sponsorship, or anything na you can help the team. Ayun, regarding naman sa we still have a summer karate workshop nationwide. All you have to do is just to check our website, www.pklkarate.ph.com para makita nyo kung ano yung mga venues na pwedeng pag-enroll na inyong mga anak.
Sensei Resty?
Yeah, and we are also preparing for this coming October for the World Goju Ryu Karate Federation's Championship to be held in Pune, India. So, magkakaroon din ng mga series of selection for that event and hoping na makapagpadala rin tayo ng mga players for that big event po. And sa lahat ng mga training center ng PKL, so hanapin nyo lang po yung mga interested to join the training camp and the summer magsa-summer class this summer days po.
On that note, maraming salamat po, Shihan Dennis at Sensei Resty sa inyong oras ngayong umaga. And good luck po sa inyong nalalapit na World Championships sa karate.